Harry Dick here with the FMR channel news. News just in. Turns out that the Flip My Ride channel has now registered as a partner with the YouTube Partners Program. This means that you, the viewer, will now have to endure those horrible ads whilst watching the episodes. A statement from the cast, crew and cars says, "Stiff poo-poos, we need the cash." Good to hear. In other news, the Ninggi Nugget has been vacant from the channel for quite some time, but with parts arriving daily, we should see an upcoming episode on that particular vehicle very soon. With more on that, let's cross now to Adam. Thanks, Harry. Yes, we have some new parts we've been waiting a while for. We had to order them from overseas because that was the cheapest place to purchase. So what have we got? Let's take a look. We were going to go with an electronic distributor, but we have now moved back to the old-fashioned points setup and rotor button, so that's that there. Now these are the housings we've had to wait quite a while for. They've come from Japan and United Arab Emirates. Why? Well, these are $125 locally. We wanted to get them a bit cheaper. Ended up getting them for $25, but we had to wait. And here we've got our original replacement leads, and we've got ourselves a set of plugs. What else do we have? Let's have a look. You've probably seen it in some of the footage. We do have a brand new radiator. That was a little deep into the budget. So yes, folks, yes, Harry, we should have some progress coming up very soon under the bonnet of the Ninggi Nugget. It's been a while, we know, but trust me, there'll be some stuff coming and some good progress made as well. And we do have some paint ready to do some touch-ups under the bonnet, and we'll be moving on to the bodywork very soon. Anyway, back to you in the studio, Harry. Quick flip news. The Mazda 626 is a dud, apparently. Turns out it might be. The price is lower now than a snake's belly, but still no interest in the car. What's going to happen? Stay tuned for more on that. But hang on, breaking news. In relation to the quick flips, yes, it turns out that we've got a development with the Ford Laser. Let's cross now to the video. It seems like just after one day, the Laser has already drawn some attention. As the prospective buyer wanders around and checks out the car, Adam is doing his best sales pitch ever. Air filters, good on you, Adam. Oil filter. Yeah, I saw that in the description. Yeah, new fan belt. Happy Planet.
Oh yeah, that's Rocket Ace. Yeah, I know him.
Yeah, they were looking at it too.
Ding.
With the formalities and inspection out of the way, it looks like the family is jumping in and going for a bit of a test drive. Let's hope it all goes well. Sorry for that, folks. Brief break in transmission, but we're back live now, and looks like the family is on their way back from the test drive. Let's see what the outcome is. She drives well, eh? I'd say at some point it might have had a cover on top. Yeah, folds nice and flat, mate, for the boards. Sleeping in it. Yeah. All right, so I'll put my details there.
Thank you.
For one,
Oh, is the VIN number written there?
yeah, it's written here, mate.
Beautiful, thank
I'll sign that if you want to sign it as well.
Yeah, of course.
It looks like the awkward discussions over money are out of the way, and we've got a settlement here, so congratulations to both the purchaser and the Flip My Ride crew. Well done. How many coins? It'd be interesting to know what the final sales figure was. All right.
Thank you very much.
All right, no worries.
Thank you so much. Appreciate
Nice
it.
to meet you too.
We'll see you soon.
Yeah, mate. Take care of it, please.
I will.
Drive safe, eh?
Yeah, I will.
Good stuff. Hey buddy, something's happened, mate. The car's gone. It's missing. Look. But I got this. 5.5. Nearly 4 grand, almost 4 grand profit. Mwah. We just got some breaking news. Harry Ball's here, by the way. No, Harry Dick. Are we good? I need to be here. Good evening. This is FMR Garage News. I'm Harry Dick. Latest from the FMR channel. That bird's annoying me. Come on, let's get this right. Fuck! In other news,